What's up guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to make the bullet speed ramp, which is the most commonly used speed ramp in car edits. It's actually really simple and not that hard. If you just keep doing it again and again, you'll get the hang of it. And yeah, let's get straight into it. So first of all, take literally any song. The one I'm gonna pick is Highest in the Room by Travis Scott. We're gonna put this here, then you're gonna like select the part of your song. I'm just gonna select mine. After you're done picking your song and part of the song, what you're gonna do is mark out the beats. How can you mark out the beats? Select the audio and press M on the keyboard, and you will see will just anyways, so I'm gonna mark my beats. So the first, this is a beat, and then this is a beat. Okay, for now we're only gonna just do this. So now what we're gonna do, we're gonna start with literally any clip. After that, what we're gonna do, we're gonna select the clip, go to speed, press curve, and then press bullet. Yeah, that's all. Then what you're gonna do is go to here, cut this, and cut this out, and bring this a little to the middle, and put these all up. Okay, and bring this like somewhere here, right? And make sure to turn on smooth slow-mo. Always turn smooth slow-mo on frame blending, alright? Okay, so now the problem here is that it's way longer. See, our beat is here, but the clip is way longer. What we're gonna do, we're gonna right click this, we're gonna press create compound clip, and then we're gonna go to speed again, standard, and keep bringing this value up until it's like somewhere on the marker. And yep, and there you have your bullet speed ramp. Now you can do the same for the other clips. Okay, another thing you can do, you can like select all the other clips and yeah, just apply the bullet curve at the same time. After that, you can still see these are in like match with the beats. What you're gonna do, you're gonna individually select these and yeah, make them compound clip. Alright, anyways, and then simple, just speed standard and just this. Okay, in this situation where the clip is shorter than the beats, what you could do is undo the compound clip. Okay, we're gonna go to curve and we're gonna slowly bring this back uniformly like that. There you go. Yep, and there we have our simple bullet speed ramp. And yeah, I hope you guys learned something, and yeah, bye.